My name is Nick Wybrew. I'm the Operations Director at Riverside Studios in Hammersmith. I started at Riverside Studios in 2000, back when Chris Evans was here with TFI Friday. Riverside Studios is a multidiscipline arts venue with restaurant and bar and catering facilities included. There are a TV studio, 2 theatre spaces, 2 cinemas, event spaces, rehearsal rooms, as well as offices, and the restaurant and bar services all the audiences, tenants and people that might visit the building. Important to the building was being able to track all of the sales across the multiple areas of the building, whether we were selling a cup of coffee at 8 o'clock in the morning to someone walking their dog, or selling a can of Coke to an artist at 10 o'clock after they're filming. I came across Tavalis at a trade show, and one of their sales guys introduced me to the system, gave me a really good demo. I spent about an hour with him talking through the challenges I'd had with previous systems, but also challenges that I foresaw us having as an organisation in the building. Tavalis offered a solution that allowed a centralised management point. I was able to sit at a laptop and have 5, 10, 15 till points around the building. As long as they came back to a centralised network, I could sit on a laptop anywhere in the world in theory and log into that system and make changes to the system or see what was happening minute by minute, real-time refresh on where sales were at during the day, but also how the system was being used by our operators in the building. The staff we have rotate between the various outlets, so what we wanted was not someone being confused by going from one to the other, but being familiar with the system enough, but having a different range of products so that we can track accurately what we're selling in the building. Tracking the sales is highly important to us because we operate on shoestring budgets sometimes, and the catering operation is highly important to us as an ancillary business stream. Tracking that and watching how that correlates with various shows and audiences is hugely important to us and enables us to not only financially plan, but also to adjust show types or menu types to fit and vice versa. I think for us, efficiency is where we are most happy with Tavalis. I think the fact that we can centrally program the tills and push that out at selected times, so we're not having to stand in front of each till every time we change a dish on a menu is a huge time saver for us. And also that centralized data collection point is vital to us being able to read our business but also grow our business. In my day, I might have to deal with everything from a customer complaint about an air conditioning unit that rattles at 3 AM in the morning, or a show that they wanted to see, or a burger that they feel is not up to the standard we expect. Tavalis have given me the opportunity to not have to waste my time on dealing with an EPOS system on a daily or weekly basis, and the challenges that they help to remove from my day are time I can then spend on actually improving the whole customer journey.